Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this XIAOMI. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Sound and Vibration. After that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you will disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, click on this one next to Haptic Feedback to switch off or on system vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!